Hello everyone and welcome to Cybersecurity. In this video, we are going to see how we can change the host name on Kali Linux machine.
So as you can see, the hostname of my Kali machine is currently Kali. You can confirm the same by running another command which is hostname. So this command will reveal your current hostname. But let's suppose you want to change your hostname to another name. So how you can do that is very simple. You can first run a command called as hostname followed by the new hostname that you want to provide here. So let's suppose that I want to provide my hostname as 4p3x. I'll hit enter and this is the first step in the configuration. Now the second step is we have to edit like all these steps. Remember that all these steps you have to do as a root user. If you're not a root user, then you will not be able to do all these steps. So make sure as I am the root user, you should also be the root user. And I already told you in the previous videos how you can enable the root account or how you can switch to the root user. So let's edit a file which is etc hostname and let's hit enter. And over here you will find the old name of your old host name of your machine. So I'll just replace it with the new name which is 4p3x. Make sure you provide same name everywhere. Press Ctrl S to save and Ctrl X to exit. So I made two changes. First is using this command. Second is I have made some changes inside this particular file. And now the third step is we need to again open a file using our file editor called as nano, and we'll open another file called as etchost. So host is another file that is stored in the etc folder, and if you open it, you can come to this section where the IP address is mentioned like 192.167.0.1.1, and over here you will find a host name. So you will replace it with the new host name, which should be exactly same. That is, in my case, it's 4p3x. In your case, it can be your any fictional name that you want to provide to your machine. You can press Ctrl S and press Ctrl X. So that's it. And now your host name should be changed. So how we can confirm that our host name has been changed or not, because currently I can see it's Kali mentioned here. So if I close my terminal and open my terminal again, and you will successfully find that your host name has now been updated. And this host name will now remain as it is even if you restart your devices multiple times. So this is a small practical that you can use to perform, and you can use to change your host name from the previous old one to whatever new that you want to perform.
If you want to join the live practical focus training on Kali Linux, then you can contact us on the number shown on the screen.